Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Miss Listan. Today we are here at Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. It is located at the airport road between 4th and 5th intersection next to the Sharjah airport along the highway of Aded Road. From the entrance, you'll only pay a small fee of 10 dirhams per person. This museum, showcasing more than hundreds of vehicles from manufactured 1915 to the early 20th century, are lovely and incredible cars from presidential cars, bus, truck, bikes, police car, and even classic fire truck. It is only located inside in one single building. Which cars there are manufactured here, and also the country of origin and the speed. By the way, if you are visiting here, cars are not allowed to touch, but you can only take pictures with them. Here also they have the description about the types of wheels and tires. And that's all in this video. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more videos to come. See you on the next video.